Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix email not sending or email in queued problem in your Gmail app. When you send the email but it's queued and it is not sent, this video will help you fix the problem. So what happened is your cache memory is full. So to fix the problem, go to settings in your Android device, and in settings search for apps and tap on that. So here look for the Gmail app and tap on that, and here go to storage, tap on storage and tap on clear cache. By clearing the cache memory, it will help to send the queued email. So if this process didn't help you send the email, go back and force stop the app and open it again. This will help you fix the problem. It's very easy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please give like to this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.